This is the Bosch GAM 220 MF Digital Angle Finder. It locks onto fast, precise measurements and is ideal for use with a miter saw. Measure angles for roof joints, stairways, and sloped windows, or create perfect trim work and crown molding. The features let you focus on the job. The user interface is intuitive and the illuminated flip display is easy to read. The simple and compound miter function is great for making fast saw angle adjustments. The hold function lets you easily reuse and transfer saved measurements. And the mechanical lock makes transferring angles simple and quick. There's a generous measuring range of 0 to 220 degrees with measuring accuracy of 0.01 degrees. And to top it off, this Bosch angle finder is tough. Its housing meets IP54 protection standards. It comes with a carrying case and a leg extension for measuring hard-to-reach angles. Accurate angles are a thing of beauty. Get them with the Bosch GAM 220 MF Digital Angle Finder by checking out this page, and be sure to check out the full line of Bosch measuring tools.
The Kreg Inline clamp makes it easy to hold workpieces of all shapes and sizes without the clamp getting in the way. The inline clamp does this with a low-profile design that applies pressure from the side rather than from overhead, so the clamp stays out of the way as you work. The inline clamp stays in place with a peg that fits into any 3/4 inch diameter hole. That makes the clamp a perfect companion to the Kreg Mobile Project Center and allows you to get more from any workbench that's equipped with 3/4 inch bench dog holes. Or you can drill 3/4 inch holes in any work surface to add the convenience of Kreg inline clamping. Using the inline clamp is easy. Simply turn the contoured easy-to-grip dial to move the pushrod and press the clamp shoe against your workpiece. That makes it easy to dial in the clamping pressure you need, up to 250 pounds of clamping force. The low-profile clamp shoe is just 1/2 inch thick, so it stays out of the way while you work. The clamp shoe design holds tight against workpieces of all shapes and sizes, including corners and round edges. And because you can rotate the inline clamp, it's easy to direct that clamping pressure in whatever direction you need. With the Kreg inline clamp, you get the helping hand you need, when you need it, with the versatility you want for a wide variety of tasks. Visit us online at KregTool.com to learn more about the Kreg inline clamp, as well as our other Kreg clamping solutions that help you create every project with confidence.
Rockler's new Universal Drawer Slide Jig. Designed to work with most ball bearing, epoxy, and center mount slides, the jig holds the slide securely and makes it easy for you to position it perfectly for quick, accurate installations. And it features an indexing rod that makes repeated installations a snap. Like all great jigs, it's easy to use. Just separate the two parts of the slide and put the cabinet track in the jig as it will be installed in the cabinet. An integral stop guarantees the right setback from the front of the cabinet, and the innovative locking wedge grips the slide securely, so you don't have to worry about it shifting or tipping. Beveled edges on the jig's wings line up with the bottom of the slide for easy positioning at the cabinet, and there's a scale in case you need to offset the mounting height. The jig positions the slide square to the front of the cabinet and level from front to back. Flat areas on the body make it easy to clamp it to the cabinet if you want to free up both hands to drive the mounting screws. After installing a couple of screws, you can release the locking wedge, remove the jig, and drive all the remaining mounting screws, as directed in the slide instructions. So if you want easy and accurate drawer slide installations every time, you owe it to yourself to get Rockler's Universal Drawer Slide Jig. Rockler Woodworking and Hardware. We help you create with confidence.
Introducing Woodpecker's newest one-time tool, the Combination Saddle T-Square. This new measuring and marking tool is specifically designed to help woodworkers accurately mark a piece of wood. A saddle square makes it possible to mark two perpendicular sides of a board. Position once, mark twice. Both lines are now in perfect alignment with each other. The T-square feature of the saddle square combines a machined 30-degree laser engraved bevel with the precision of an accurately machined 1mm holes. By using the holes to position the tip of your pencil, you can instantly scribe a line perfectly parallel to a board's edge. The Saddle Tsquare is available in 4, 6, 8, and 12-inch lengths with imperial spacing. It also comes in metric sizes of 100, 150, 200, and 300 millimeters. Like all Woodpecker brand tools, the Saddle Tsquare is made right here in the USA.
Introducing the new Dewalt Jobsite table saw. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, the saw is designed to be easily transported. The saw has a rip capacity of 32.5 inches to the right side of the blade, provided by a patented rack and pinion telescoping rail system, which allows you to cut larger material compared to previous Dewalt table saws without sacrificing portability. The design also provides convenient onboard storage for accessories, making them easily accessible. The modular guard design makes installation of the guarding components quick and easy. Dewalt has also designed a new roll cage frame to withstand tough job site conditions which demand Dewalt durability. The Dewalt DWE7491RS provides workshop capacity and job site power to meet the user's needs.
The Kreg Rip Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide takes the intimidation out of cutting and allows you to make cuts without measuring, without marking, and without having to keep the saw from wandering off of a cut line. The Rip Cut turns your ordinary circular saw into a precision edge-guided cutting tool that makes straight, accurate, repeatable cuts in plywood, MDF, and other large sheets easy and accurate. And because projects often call for multiple pieces to be cut the exact same size, with the Rip Cut, you can lock in a size and can be confident that with cut after cut, the pieces will be exactly the same size. Also, you can make these cuts anywhere you need to by taking your saw to the material instead of having to bring your material to the saw. The Rip Cut makes this possible with a universal sled that holds your saw, an aluminum guide rail with built-in measuring scale, and an oversized edge guide that follows the edge of the plywood sheet to provide complete control as you cut. The universal sled can also be used on the Kreg AccuCut. The Rip Cut works with just about any circular saw, whether it has a blade mounted on the left or the right side. Plus, the edge guide is reversible, so the Rip Cut works equally well right-handed and left-handed. Mounting your saw on the Rip Cut is quick and easy, and your saw can be removed for other uses, then reinstalled just as quickly. Using the Rip Cut is easy too. Just lock the saw sled at your desired cut, from 1 inch up to 24 inches wide, then simply hold the edge guide against your sheet, turn the saw on, and go.
Makita miter saws have engineering superiority over other miter saws. And here's the latest addition to the Makita lineup, the 8.5-inch slide compound miter saw. This miter saw is more compact. It weighs only 31 pounds, so it's ideal for easy transport from job site to job site. But you also get dead-on accuracy, cut after cut. The linear ball bearing system is engineered to deliver smooth, dead-on, accurate cuts. It has 12-inch cross-cutting capacity with 8.5-inch capacity and a 45-degree miter. The saw miters from 0 to 50 degrees to the left and 0 to 60 to the right. The ergonomic rubberized handle design with large trigger has better fit for added comfort. For improved visibility, the LED light illuminates the line of cut. The LS0815F is ideal for wood floor installation, case and base, crown molding, finish carpentry, cabinet and furniture making, general construction, and more.
The key to the PosiLock is the precisely machined holes in the protractor and the spring-loaded tight tolerance detent ball that pops into them. Every 5 degrees, plus 22.5 and 67.5, there's a distinctive stop in the head's rotation. There's no guessing. Set your angle, lock it in, and you're ready to go. Even when you're not laying out angles, you'll still love this tool. The satin finished stainless steel blade is laser cut with scribing guides every 1/16 of an inch. Hold the head on the edge of your stock, just drop your pencil in a slot, and slide along, laying down lines perfectly parallel to the edge of your stock. PosiLock simplifies critical dimensioning too. The head perfectly positions your 0 point at the edge of your stock. The thin blade minimizes parallax error, and the laser engraved scale is held to a tolerance of 4/1000 of an inch total accumulated error over the entire length of the tool. The PosiLock Tsquare is available in 12, 24, and 32-inch blade lengths. You can get the size that fits your work best, or buy the complete set. Plus, each one comes with a convenient wall-mountable racket. The PosiLock Tsquare, locked-in accuracy for angled projects. Order yours today.